Good morning to all of you. By the grace of great God and great Bible, we will start our today's session. And our today's session is crystal structure. It is a crystal structure, that is the unit 1. Okay. हिंदी वालों को बता दूं, आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर. क्या पढ़ेंगे? क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर. Okay. But before we to start the crystal structure, okay. First of all, I would like to discuss the what we mean by crystalline solids and amorphous solids. Okay. क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स और अमॉर्फस सॉलिड्स क्या होते हैं, उनकी क्या एग्जांपल्स हैं, एंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस. ओके, व्हाट इज क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड, व्हाट इज अमॉर्फस सॉलिड, एंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन द क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड एंड अमॉर्फस सॉलिड. ओके, लेट अस डिस्कस ऑल द पॉइंट्स वन बाय वन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू राइट द क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स? What do you mean by crystalline solids? कोई बता सकता है? Anybody from the international side? What do you mean by crystalline solids? Crystalline solids are it is a periodic and regular arrangement of atoms. Okay, so I would like to write periodic and regular arrangement periodic and regular arrangement of atoms, oblique ions or molecules. So simply I will write it is a periodic and regular arrangement of atoms. Okay, I get your point. Now the first question is, what do you mean by periodic? What do you mean by periodic? Can anybody define what do you mean by periodic or what is periodicity? बता सकता है कोई? Anybody? Any idea? What's the meaning of periodic? Interesting.
Something that occurs regularly.
Something that
Something that occurs regularly.
Yes.
After certain
anybody any more from Hindi national students बता सकते हैं what's the meaning of periodicity? Now see the word periodic is very very important. Okay, so I will tell you what is periodic. Periodic means, see, in your low classes you might have understood the term which is called a periodicity or periodic motion. Okay, what is periodic motion? Any motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time. Any motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time. कोई भी motion जो अपने को क्या करता है, repeat करता है after a regular interval of time is called periodic motion. And the simplest example, we have a simple pendulum. We have a simple pendulum. Now see, in the simple pendulum, this is called a mean position. This is called a mean position or equilibrium position. This is called a mean position or equilibrium position. So this pendulum will oscillate like to and fro motion about its mean position. So this kind of motion is called a periodic motion. Okay, because this motion repeats itself after a regular interval of time. Can you have a more example of the periodic motion? This is the first example.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah. The 12 month year.
Oh yes. I'll give a simple, much more simple example. Now see, the motion of the earth about its own axis is also the example of a periodic motion. ठीक है, धरती अपनी एक्सिस के अराउंड घूमती कि नहीं घूमती है, जिसके कारण दिन और रात बनते हैं. ओके, the earth rotate about its own axis and due to that there is a formation of day and night. Okay, so that is also example of a periodic motion. Okay, so in terms of atoms, in terms of solids or atoms, if any pattern repeats itself, so that is called a periodic or regular arrangement of atoms. So that is called a crystalline solid. That comes under the crystalline solid. So it means we can say that crystalline solids are ordered structure. So crystalline solids are ordered structure. Crystalline solids are ordered structure because they have a periodic and regular arrangement of atom in a solid. Okay. Any doubt about the crystalline solid? Crystalline solid में कोई दिक्कत हो तो इंटरनेशनल नेशनल सभी को समझ आ रहा है? ठीक है. So this is a simple example of crystalline solids. Okay. Now see, this crystalline solids have two categories. One is called a single crystal, another is called a polycrystalline solids. Okay. So it is further divided into two parts. First is called